Hello and welcome to the BMC Quick Course series. In this session, I'll show you how to use MainView and AppTune. What are the MainView AppTune product objectives? MainView AppTune provides a comprehensive, cost-effective tool for DB2 application and resource analysis. MainView AppTune gathers and displays SQL performance data in either an ISPF or MS Windows interface. Using the MainView AppTune feature, you can assemble and display performance data for a single SQL statement or a set of SQL statements executing on one or more DB2 subsystems. View analysis of SQL statements together with analysis of the objects that the SQL statement access. This makes it easy to identify the DB2 tables and indexes that are used the most. Collect data from all DB2 subsystems on each ZOS image across the sysplex. Then you can either analyze the collected data by individual DB2 subsystem or analyze aggregates of data from multiple DB2 subsystems across multiple ZOS images. View in real time before you store it for analysis the SQL performance data that MainView AppTune collects and summarizes. In this way, you can avoid the costly overhead of saving large volumes of data associated with other DB2 performance aids. Note that this feature requires AppTune for DB2 activation and the MainView for DB2 PAS. MainView Explorer is common to all MainView products. To launch views for AppTune, use EZAPPT. The Application Health View is a graphic display of the data collected for different applications. Let's take a look at some of these views and their features. Here is the product tree in the MainView Explorer topology. As you can see, on display are all relevant DB2 subsystems of the sysplex. The tree expansion displays the Views and Configurations folders. Here we see that the Configuration and Views folder expansion displays the configuration and views. This is the AppTune Easy menu. You can use these EZAPPT hyperlinks to display other views. Let's look at set intervals by double-clicking on it. And we hyperlink to this view, which displays all of the intervals that AppTune has collected data for. You can select the row for the begin time over which the collection analysis is required, then right-click and select the begin end time interval option. If a different end is required, you can scroll the view and select the rows for the end time. To select the row, right-click and choose the end time option. Here we see that the fields interval begin time and interval end time have been set. Now that you set the interval, all of the views on the EZAPPT view then will display data over that time frame. Here the program name hyperlink from EZAPPT displays data about all the programs with values for the different metrics is displayed. This is the general style for all the views. You can double-click on the highlighted row to hyperlink to the statement view for that program. From the prior view, a double-click on the program AUB-SQL displays the statements for that program during the time period selected. Two columns are highlighted on the statement view, program name and statement type. You can double-click on the program name to display the SQL statement for the program. You can also double-click on the statement type to display the detailed metrics for that statement. Here we see the SQL text for the statement for the static open. To do an explain on the SQL text, right-click on SQL label and issue the explain action by entering an X. The results of the explain are then displayed. The other explain options are displayed on the right-click action menu. Let's also look at some other views before we conclude this session. This is the detailed SQL statement view, APPSQL DT, which displays all of the detailed data about the statement. The highlighted program displays the subsequent views that comprise the statement. This is the application health view, which displays the metrics for each application for every minute over the time interval. Finally, the execution container displays the graphs for the application health variables, SQL calls, total errors, and total number of exceptions. This concludes the MainView APPTUNE quick course. Thank you for your time.